corn ribs that you bake in the oven, season them, and they come out sort of like pork or beef ribs that you eat off the bone, which is the inside of the cob. I like to go in the top, make a little cut, and it is so hard. You need a sharp knife, and I just kind of rock the knife back and forth a little bit until it's inside, and then I'll do one big, okay.
Nice.
And then once you get them cut in half, you can turn them over to the cut side and just use your leverage.
Let's work out.
Use a jackhammer if you have one handy. Oh boy, there we go. Huh. So, got 2 more to cut.
How was your workout for the day?
Wow, wow, wow. So definitely kids, do not try this. Make sure you have a parent and make sure your parent has a very sharp knife. Everybody be careful. Okay, so I'm gonna make the seasoning, and it's a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of paprika, and then a teaspoon of garlic powder, along with salt and pepper, just like I would make for regular pork or beef ribs. All right, and then I'll sprinkle the seasoning all over the little corn ribs.
Corn ribs.
And then, whoops. I forgot to drizzle with olive oil first. Boy, I am batting 1,000 here. A little more of the seasoning. And then, let's go to the oven, Alex.
Okay.
All right, these are going to bake in a 450-degree oven for 20 minutes. Should we check out the corn ribs?
Oh, yeah.
Look.
Wow.
They look like ribs. Not really. They don't look like ribs at all. But they are ribs in that this little inner core is kind of like the bone. So I do have a little sauce that I whipped up, and it's a mixture of mayonnaise, brown mustard, barbecue sauce, and honey, which is kind of crazy and irresistible and mischievous. And I'm just brushing it on the corn. Okay, and then I'm gonna get these onto a platter. Oh, these look amazing. Now for garnish, I just had a can of French fried onions. And I thought they would just be the perfect little complement. I could just eat these out of the bowl. Yummy. And then green onions. Pretty, pretty, pretty. What do you think, guys?
Good.
Those are neat.
Kind of cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, I've had just about all the internet famous recipes I can handle for one day. Pretty exciting if you ask me. Delicious too. In fact, I'm gonna try one. Ooh, fun. They're just like ribs.